Hey friends, today we're diving into the world of Sony's latest smartphone that's not just here to win your heart with its futuristic features, but is also ready to take on giants like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7, the upgraded version of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. So let's explore everything about this stunning phone and see if it has what it takes to outshine the competition. Let's start. Features of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. Display. This phone comes with a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus OLED display that supports 4K HDR with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling. This display promises to be super smooth and ultra responsive. And yes, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, making it both sleek and durable. Plus, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor for that extra layer of security. Camera setup. Now let's talk about the camera, because when it comes to Sony, the camera is always the star of the show. This phone boasts a triple camera setup. First, a 48-megapixel primary camera with OIS for crisp, shake-free shots. Second, a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor for those perfect zoomed-in moments. And third, a 12-megapixel periscope sensor that supports 6x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects closer without losing detail. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 50-megapixel front camera that's going to make every selfie look flawless. Plus, Sony's exclusive clear image zoom technology ensures your photos are sharp, detailed, and absolutely stunning. Processor. When it comes to performance, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this processor handles everything with ease. And to top it off, it runs on Android 14, ensuring a smooth and seamless user experience. Battery backup. Battery life? No worries here. The Xperia 1 Mark 7 packs a massive 5,100 mAh battery that's built to last all day. And with 33-watt fast charging support, you can juice up your phone in no time. Price and launch date. Now let's get to the most exciting part. The price and launch date. In USA, this phone is expected to be priced around $1,050. And as for the launch date, mark your calendars because this beast is set to hit the market next month.